Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for online exam PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. Open the XAMPP control panel. Start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the folder and then click the readme text. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the tables. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL, then click the MySQL admin, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database tables. Next open the Visual Studio Code, explore the web folder, here you can see the project delivery files. Click the JS, here you can see the AngularJS files. Click the file name, you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. Then click the readme text, copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have two roles, user and admin. Let's start with admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Then click the login button. The login successful. Here we have three models. Click the add exam. Here you can add the exam. Enter the exam name and then click the add exam. It will be added. Here you can use in the search option. And then click the exam. Here you can give the command. And then you can give the objective type question. Enter the question and options and enter the answer. Then click the submit button, it will be created. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Click the assign. Here you can assign the exam. Enter the date, starting time and the end date. Enter the end time and the attempt count. And then enter the level, basic, moderate or advanced or others. Once you do that, click the submit button, the exam will be assigned. If you want to get more information, click the more info, here you can view the exam details. And then click the result. Here you can view the answer result. Here using the filter option. Or you can using the search option. And then click the answer. Here you can view the exam result. Here also you can using the filter options and search options. Here you can see the overall percentage of the exam. Next, move to the user. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the register button. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Once you do that, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. Register successfully. And then log in the user. Here we have 3 models. Click the exam. Here you can select the exam or using the search option. And then click the start exam. Here you can select your answer and then save the answer. Then click the submit button. And then click the answer. Here you can view your answer. And then click result. Here you can view your result. And then click my profile. Here you can see your profile details. If you want to edit your password, click the edit password. Here you can edit. So this is a online exam PHP web application.
Code Shopping.